ஸ்லைடு எதை கிளிக் பண்ணணும்? Good morning, my dear students. Today, in our subject Total Quality Management, we are going to discuss about what is meant by quality in the first unit. Quality is the degree to which a commodity meets the requirement of the customer. Again, another definition for quality is in its essence a way of management of the organization. Still, it is a distinctive attribute or characteristic possessed by someone or something. So, these are the various definitions being given for quality. Again, what is quality? In real fact, quality is conformation to customer requirements. Again, quality is about meeting the minimum standard requirements are required to satisfy customer needs. Quality is fitness for use. It is also another meaning of quality. Quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated and implied needs of customer. So in such a way, quality is defined, and these are all the 4 or 5 definitions or meanings of quality. So now let us see quality in an information technology product or service. So quality is sometimes defined as meeting the requirements of the customer. So the term quality assurance describes any systematic process for ensuring quality during the successive steps in developing a product or service. Quality in management is a quality management system is a collection of business processes focused on achieving quality policy and quality objectives to meet customer requirements. So this is the aspect defined in management. And in manufacturing, quality means it measure of excellence or a state of being free from defects, deficiencies and significant variation. Quality in education. So in education, quality is having a different dimension of definition. Education is a dynamic concept. It evolves with time and is subject to social, economic and environmental conditions. However, international human rights law provides a general legal framework that guarantees quality education. Quality in software is field of study and practice that describes the desirable attributes of the software products. Similarly, in business, quality has pragmatic interpretation as the non-inferiority or superiority of something. So this is about various definitions. Close பண்ணிடலாமா? So we are going to close this aspect about definition of quality in this session. report path